In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Kajabi landing page URL using an easy method. This step-by-step guide is perfect for anyone looking to efficiently access and share their landing pages on the platform. Let's dive in and make this as straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll want to log into your Kajabi account, head over to the Kajabi website and enter your credentials to sign in. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left sidebar, find the tab labeled Website and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear and from there select Pages. This takes you to all the pages associated with your site. Now that you're in the Pages section, it's time to navigate to your landing pages. You'll want to scroll down until you see the landing pages subsection, which is distinct from static pages. Once there, locate the specific landing page you are interested in sharing. Identify it by its name or any distinguishing details you might have given it during setup. With your landing page identified, it's time to copy the URL. There are two methods you can use for this. The first method involves the pages list. Right next to the name of your landing page, you will see a More Options menu represented by the icon Satbam. Click on this menu and select Copy URL from the options that appear. Once you have copied the URL, you can paste it wherever needed, be it an email, your social media accounts, or anywhere else. If you prefer a second method, you can obtain the URL from the page preview. Click directly on your landing page title to open it. In the top right corner, you'll find an option to preview the page. Click on Preview and this will open your landing page in a new browser tab. Now, simply grab the URL from the address bar of your browser. After securing your URL, the next crucial step is to test it. To do this, paste the link into a new tab or send it to yourself via email. Open the link to ensure that the page loads correctly. It's vital to confirm the page isn't still in draft or unpublished mode, as this would prevent viewers from accessing it. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've not only located your Kajabi landing page URL, but also ensured that it's ready to be shared with your audience. Make sure to revisit this guide whenever you need a quick refresher. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Be sure to check out our channel for more tips and tutorials.